Hi, do you want your child to become innovator, a design thinker, thinking creatively, very curious, excited about learning, or do you want just good grades? I'm sure you want both. And here we can help. This is Malshri, co-founder of Ignited Minds Innoventures. It's a STEM education organization based in Delhi, and we have been customizing and designing science, technology, engineering, and math activities, which are hands-on activities for students grade-wise for schools pan India. And presently, after a decade, we are connected with more than 87 schools in India, all across, and in Middle East also, affecting and igniting the minds of more than 50,000 students now. So around 10 years back, a group of like-minded people from BITS Pilani IIT, physicists, academicians, early childhood learning experts, and microbiologists, biotechnologists all gathered to create and design a lot of STEM activities which are provided in a very attractive Newton box. And each school gets to choose a specific number of activities for the child and grade wise, and they're all mapped according to the curriculum. So when the child is doing a particular topic, supposing electric circuits or maybe air pressure or liquid pressure or reading about air, we would be our STEM trainers would be conducting the sessions on the same activity, reinforcing that concept in the child's mind. So the child will make their own model and also experiment on it, draw their own inferences, giving their own ideas, designing a better experiment to perform. Besides this, there are going to be a series of quizzes, presentations, storytelling, drama on science, all related to science. So I'm sure children will get a very holistic development when they do these activities, and these concepts stay forever in their minds. So as NEP has also emphasized that we should discourage rote learning and encourage more high order thinking, questioning, and conceptual learning amongst children. If we give the right resources to children at the right age, they will not play with the mobiles and instead fiddle around with things that they require at this age. Thank you.